What's up, everybody? Justin with 904 Lawn Pros here. Went out to do my first cut of the day and got the mower off the trailer and started the mower, obviously, to get it off the trailer. And went to go engage the blades, and it sounded like death. And started smoking, so I immediately shut it off. And so mower down. Had to push mow 2 properties today. I'm going to bounce the other ones to tomorrow. That sucked. So anyway, let me show you what's going on. Alright, so on the Hustler Raptor, I've got the mulch kit, and you can see right here, this little lip. Every time I back it off the trailer, it's catching on the trailer gate. Let me show you what that's all about. You can see here several areas where it has ripped this piece off. You know, I keep hammering it back down, and it keeps catching, and that's with the deck up on the highest setting. I really need one more setting, but anyway, it finally bent that piece enough to where when I engaged the blade on the mower, it got wedged against the inside of that mulching plate. So we're going to take it down off the trailer, jack it up, and see what we need to do about it. Okay, so here's a better look, maybe, at this lip right here. It's been catching, and you can see right under there where that plate got bent, and the blade got bound up on the mulching kit attachment, the chute block, whatever hell you want to call it. So we will take the blade off and see how we can rig this up. I may go back to just the side discharge. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Alright, so there's only one bolt, this little 13mm, or this bolt with a 13mm nut, holding on the chute block here. That's all that holds that on. So let's see if we can get a better look at what happened in here. Flashlight. Let's see. This piece is all bent to hell. So there are 1, 2 bolts holding that piece on. So let me take that off and we'll see what we end up with. Alright, so looks like this little piece is supposed to be connected right there. Looks like I snapped that little piece. So sweet. Guess it's time to call my buddy who's a welder and see if he can tack this together for me. So let me get on that. I'll let you guys know how it turns out. So yeah, it looks like it's supposed to meet up there. But there's a lot of metal missing. The question is, do I want to try to get that tack welded, or just take the hacksaw and cut that off right there, and then remount chute block. Because again, it's held in with a screw there. And if I do that, I will probably drill another, at least one, maybe two other holes to reinforce that chute block. Yeah. Because, I mean, quite honestly, I don't see what purpose this serves. Y'all let me know what you think. Alright, so yeah, this is a little piece that got bent in and ended up setting inside like that, which also had, where is it, this bottom plate that also got pushed in, and that's what the blade got a hold of. So, yeah. So this little flimsy piece is gone, and we're going to put the chute block back on it, and I'll just reinforce it with some extra screws. She'll be ready to cut tomorrow. We're going to go ahead and sharpen the blades too. I know, these blades are looking rough. That's I had those on because I was going to cut a very rough property. So I've got new blades getting picked up tomorrow. So I'm going to put an edge on these and use them until I pick the blades up tomorrow. I carry my impact wrench and a jack stand on the truck with me, so I can change blades on the go. I always keep a couple of sharp sets of blades with me. So, yep, so quick and easy fix. She'll be ready to cut tomorrow. So, actually she'll be ready to cut in about 20 minutes, but anyway. Peace out, guys. On to the next one.